How to avoid aliasing. Are you struggling with unwanted distortion in your electronic music? You might be dealing with aliasing. This issue arises when a signal is sampled at a rate that is too low, causing high-frequency sounds to be misinterpreted. Let's break down how to avoid this problem and keep your audio clean and clear. First, let's talk about the Nyquist Sampling Theorem. This principle states that to accurately capture a sound, your sampling frequency must be at least twice the highest frequency in that sound. For example, if you want to capture frequencies up to 22,005 Hz, your sampling rate should be at least 44,100 Hz. Common rates like 44,100 Hz and 48,000 Hz are widely used in electronic music production. One of the main causes of aliasing is an insufficient sampling rate. If your rate is too low, those high-frequency components will not be accurately represented. This can lead to unwanted artifacts in your audio. Additionally, nonlinear processing, such as distortion or overdrive, can introduce aliasing as well. So, how can you avoid this issue? First, always use an adequate sample rate. Stick to 44,100 Hz or higher for most electronic music applications. This will help ensure that you capture all the necessary frequencies without distortion. Another effective method is oversampling. This technique involves processing your audio at a higher rate than your final output. For instance, if you are working with a software synthesizer, you can set it to oversample. This reduces aliasing but may requiring more processing power from your computer. Filtering high frequencies can also help, but it is not always a foolproof solution. Sometimes, frequencies above 20,000 Hz can still cause aliasing if they fold back into the audible range. So, while filtering can be useful, it should not be your only strategy. When designing synthesizers or using software plugins, make sure they are capable of handling high frequencies without introducing aliasing. This might mean opting for tools that offer oversampling features or carefully selecting your sampling rate. Lastly, be cautious with nonlinear effects. These can easily introduce aliasing, so using plugins specifically designed to minimize this issue can be beneficial. By applying these techniques, you can maintain the quality of your audio and avoid the pitfalls of aliasing in your electronic music production.